Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. Today, guys, I will be straining the oregano oil. Here are a few things that you're gonna need in order to strain the oregano oil. A large bowl, but for me, a measuring cup, a strainer, and cheesecloth. It took me a while to find this cheesecloth, but I found this at Walmart for the very low price. So the cheesecloth. All right, let's get into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to separate your oregano from the oil. If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace. Lift it up. Squeeze. All of it out. And you're going to repeat the step again.